Guys, today we're going to be playing some off-road outlaws. You see this car here? We're going to be restoring it to its original thing, or stock model, and then we're going to upgrade it. So, what? Did anyone else just see that? I didn't even know you could do that. Oh, yeah, see, it did it again. Yeah, I'm gonna do it again. Yeah, it keeps doing that. I don't know why. I'm gonna go back here and then do that. Tune suspension. No, we need to change it. I'm gonna go with that and solid axle pro. And we're gonna put the wheels to 1.4, both of them, and the radius onto like 1.1, and this wheel radius can go to 1. That's usually how it goes. And then suspension wise, put that in. Put the travel down. Yeah, that's more like it. And we're just gonna completely take off all the wraps. Boom, boom. Oh, why is there a help on top? I don't remember putting any of those there. Oh, this is my Walking Dead one. Okay, I remember this. And then we also have, we're just gonna make it a darker red. And where's the spoilers at? I don't know where. I know we don't have spoilers. Take that off. Actually, no, that one had, that's how it goes. Okay, and then we also don't have any of that. What? Ooh. We don't have any of those. That was stock, and we had to take the horns off. Okay, that should be it. Also, if I'm talking quietly, it's because it's like 12, I'm pretty sure. So, if you can't hear me, my bad, sorry. Can't control that. Okay, and then we need to apply mods. We go back to suspension. We can go axle width down. 25, and we put that one to 38. And then we put the suspension outwards a little bit. Why doesn't this back do anything? Yeah, like put it at like 5. That one at like 3. Dynos, I don't have any dyno runs. Dynamic runs, I'm pretty sure that's what it's meant to be, I think. Dyno runs, I don't know. Someone tell me what that means. It says dyno run, I think it's supposed to be dynamic run. So like, I don't know, it's a confusing game. Oh, those tires are too big, I can tell. Tires. 0.9 plus a 0.9. I'll put the travel down and back. If there's no travel. Yeah, that one will work. Make the wheel width back here thicker. And the radius a little low. Wait, don't put that lower. And the radius bigger. And the wheel thickness bigger. Yeah, and now we have the stock, as much as I can, stock model. I have no idea what. Comment down below what this is. I think it's the old Dodge Challenger. I could be wrong though. Okay, what we're gonna do for this is we're gonna make this a drag car. Actually, yeah, we're gonna restore it to the Walking Dead one version of the thing. So like put it like that. Boom. I also want to do like that. They would have no Walking Dead, Mad Max type stuff. Devil horns. Honestly, like those. And then we put that on there. That. I forgot. I already had it on and I didn't take it off. Yeah, we'll just keep it yellow. We already have that on. Wait, we have toe mirrors on? Yeah, no, let's keep those off. Definitely. Okay, I'm thinking custom. Nope, stop going over. I'm thinking the custom fonts right here, maybe. Let's first write it. Actually, wait. We're gonna make that red. Red. Walking Dead. I've never seen The Walking Dead. So if you have, tell me how the movie is. I think it's a movie anyway, I'm pretty sure. So, boom. Okay, what else should I put? Or die. Or not supposed to be or. Or die. Not on. Why does it seem like an on? U-O. No, it's definitely said on. No. I can't do that. Font. You will die. We take this one we'll delete. You'll die. And you'll see why I'm putting these all red, even though those things are already red. And we can put one more. Now, it seems like, oh, these aren't going to show up. Well, now let's just put black. Oh, sick. Or we can even put like a gray. Yeah, no, gray is definitely the way to go. Boom. Boom. Oh wait, actually no, Matt. No, Matt actually goes hard. What about, nah, Matt just goes like really hard. Oh, y'all rate this like 1, or like, y'all rate this in the comments 10, or out of 10, how much, or what would you rate this? Like, I would say, what would you rate this? Let's see, I'm gonna go on single player. Because, like, this is actually, like, really good looking. It's probably one of my better builds. Oh, yeah, I could make it an absolute speed demons. Cheating, kind of. Well, I guess no, because it's actually, yeah, next time I'll show you guys how to make good though. Go up, back. 2 help, yeah. Ooh, I have pop out. Where's the bird? Dang. I killed a bird. Another bird. Boom. Aw, dang it. There should be more birds in this game. Should be able to kill all the birds. Boom. Dang, I'd actually be sick if I actually got that. The rope hurts. Can't beat the winch. strong enough. Dude, that stupid bird. Stupid bird. Yeah, we're going. Okay, that's rude. Y'all are actually gonna like freak out. Comment, if you would like leave a like if you play Offered Outlaws. Just like all the other boom. It's like Fast and Furious. If you ever seen Fast and Furious, where Dom's trying to escape. Do it up there. No, we have to go flat. I'm good Wait, oh, it's because of that. That's why my brakes don't work. I love going underwater and dying. Surprisingly, it doesn't have a snorkel on it. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you had a fun time. Anyway, bye.